to the channel. This is just a bit of an update. We're supposed to be getting some crazy storm for the next little while, so I just wanted to give an update on how things are looking. We have lost a tremendous amount of snow. This used to be up to my thigh in this section. And if you look back a couple of videos, I couldn't even get into my shed, but now it's completely open. Around the house is completely open. And down that way, most of the snow's gone. So I will split in what looks like an after. So we'll see how that looks in a little while. Stay safe. Make sure your generators are running. Water on hand. It's supposed to be a bad one. All right, it's the next day and welcome back to snow. We had a pretty good snowstorm and we actually lost power for a little while, but all the snow is back. It's really quite windy still and lots of snow everywhere. So we're gonna go and start the tractor up and get it cleared out. But just want to give you an update on how the snow and the storm went. And spring's coming, but this was second winter. So we usually go through a couple of these. And that's the update. And if you saw in the last video, we did do all the grease fittings on the snowblower. I will be doing a video on greasing the K-Connect along with the PTO shaft because a commenter had asked for that, so I'll definitely be doing it. So I do appreciate the comments and I'll help out as much as I can. There are some videos in my playlists to do that, so check out for, I think it's called Kubota Winter or Snow Plowing. I'm sure there's some videos in there about greasing up those. But I will do another one specifically about the K-Connect. It's full on winter wonderland again. This stuff is heavy, and we plugged the chute, so let's go clean that out.
Not gonna lie, I thought I was gonna record so you could shoot the snow into the side of the Acura.
Oh no.
That's totally what I thought you were recording for.
Break the window.
Sorry guys, I tried.
Remember, don't stick your hands in a chute. See, that works. All right, so there is the driveway done. I think this is driveway cleaning number 16, 17. I've lost track. Aiden's visiting.
How's it going? From the comments, real life.
Real life. Yeah, I did plug the chute, and this stuff is really heavy. So you got to keep your RPMs up. As soon as you start dropping your RPMs or keeping the chute deflector too short, it really plugs up. So keep it high, RPMs high, and you have no problems. So that'll be it. Just a short video. Thanks everybody. If you like this content, please like it.
Sorry, it's been a while.
All right, bye. See you in the next one.